Mastering SQL Injection, a comprehensive guide to SQLMAP. By Vista InfoSec. SQL injection is a malicious technique used to exploit vulnerabilities in web applications. Attackers inject malicious SQL queries through input fields, manipulating the backend database. This allows unauthorized access to sensitive information, alteration of database contents, and even complete control over the application. By exploiting poorly sanitized user inputs, attackers can bypass authentication, execute arbitrary SQL commands, and potentially compromise the entire system. SQLMAP is a powerful open-source penetration testing tool designed to automate the process of detecting and exploiting SQL injection vulnerabilities in web applications and databases. It helps security professionals, ethical hackers, and developers identify and mitigate SQL injection flaws in their systems. SQLMAP streamlines the testing process by automating tasks such as detecting the type of database, enumerating databases, tables, and columns, retrieving data, and even executing operating system commands. Here is the installation steps for SQLMAP on Windows, Linux and macOS. Enumeration techniques help gather information about the database and its structure. U is used to specify the target URL of the vulnerable web application. R is used to specify a text file containing HTTP requests. Cookie is used to specify the HTTP cookies associated with the target web application. This option allows SQLMAP to maintain session information and perform authenticated testing. P is used to specify the parameters vulnerable to SQL injection in the target URL. DBS is used to enumerate the names of databases available on the underlying database management system, DBMS, associated with the target web application. D is used to specify the name of the database to be targeted for further enumeration or exploitation. Tables is used to enumerate the tables within a specified database on the underlying database management system, DBMS. T is used to specify the name of a specific table within a database that you want to target for further enumeration or exploitation. Dump is used to dump the contents of a specific database table to retrieve and display the data stored within it. We will go through the practical exploitation of the SQL injection using SQLMAP Tool in Kali Linux. SQLMAP-H is used to view the options of SQLMAP. SQLMAP-U target URL-DBS is used to extract names of databases in DBMS. Here we successfully enumerated the database's name using -dbs command. Using command SQLMAP-U target URL-D database name --tables, we will enumerate the table name. Using command SQLMAP-U target URL-D database name-T table name-columns, we will enumerate the column's name. Using command SQLMAP-U target URL-D database name-T table name-dump, we will extract the contents of the specific table. Using command SQLMAP-U target URL-D database name-dump, we will extract the contents of the complete database. Mitigation for SQL injection vulnerability. Implement strict input validation by acceptable characters, data types, and lengths. Implement WAFs to detect and block malicious SQL injection attempts in real time. Instead of concatenating user inputs directly into SQL queries, use parameterized queries or prepared statements. Predefine SQL queries within stored procedures and pass parameters securely, reducing the risk of injection attacks.